G'day and welcome back to Two Bacons in Boston. In today's UNESCO video, we are visiting Mons Klint. Mons Klint is located in Denmark and was inscribed by UNESCO back in 2025. And we had the pleasure of visiting back in April 2026. Mons Klint itself is a 6-kilometre stretch of limestone and chalk cliffs along the eastern coast of the Danish island of Mon in the Baltic Sea. It's about 2 hours south of Copenhagen. Some of the cliffs fall a sheer 120 metres to the sea below. The highest cliff is Dronningstone, which is 128 metres above sea level. The area around Mons Klint consists of woodland, pastures, ponds and steep hills. Mons Klint is the latest of the 12 UNESCO sites in Denmark. It was inscribed due to its dramatic glaciotectonic landscape, which is shaped by the glaciers. The property includes chalk cliffs, rolling hills, came and kettle topography, and outwash plains. Visible cliff cross-sections reveal intense folding and faulting of cretaceous chalk and quaternary sediments. The area supports rare habitat like grasslands and beech forests, hosting a diverse flora and fauna, which includes 18 species of orchid and the almost threatened large blue butterfly. Erosion continually exposes fossils and reshapes the cliffs within the area. Mons Klint is not all about the 6-kilometre stretch of limestone and chalk cliffs. It is also about the pastures, the woodlands, the ponds and the fauna and flora located within its boundaries. However, if you only have a short time, which we did, the cliffs is what you need to visit. So take the 497 stairs down to the beach and just admire the cliffs and their beauty. We hope you've enjoyed this short video of our visit to Mons Klint in Denmark back in April 2026. If you've liked what you've seen, please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at our next UNESCO site very soon.